What's up, guys? Nate Morris, MasterLSAT.com. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to try to summarize all the strategy that you'll need to ace the logical reasoning section of the LSAT. Now, of course, there are about 10 different types of questions that you'll see on this section, and there are different tips and methods that we can learn for each one. But essentially, if I had to summarize all the strategy that you'll need for every single logical reasoning question in one sentence, it would be this. Always think ahead to predict what you think the answer is going to be before looking at the answer choices. Now, of course, this is a skill that you'll develop with practice, and of course, some questions will be more predictable than others, right? Sometimes you'll just at least be able to come up with a general idea of the sorts of things that you should be looking for in the answer choices. But the bottom line is this: the more clear you are on what you should be looking for, what types of things will answer the question before you read the answer choices, the more of a chance that you're going to get the question right. The way the answer choices on the LSAT are written is that if you're kind of clear but not so clear on what you're looking for, then all 5 of them are going to look right. But by the time you read them, it'll be too late because it's going to distort the way you're thinking about the question and you're going to be confused. But if you're 90 to 100% clear on what you should be looking for before you read the answer choices, then only one of them is going to look right. So practically, what does this mean when you see an LSAT question? So it means the first thing that you should do is always read the question first, so that you know what you're going to be looking for before you read the stimulus. And then, as you're reading the stimulus, you want to already be thinking ahead to things that are going to potentially answer the question. So that means you're training yourself to not just be reading passively, not just be taking in information, but read actively. As you're reading, be analyzing, be thinking about things that are going to potentially answer the question that you're being asked. So let's say you're being asked to strengthen the argument. That means as you're reading the argument, you're already looking for soft spots. You're looking for things that could be strengthened in this argument. Let's say you're asked to find the flaw in the argument. So as you're reading the argument, you're already looking for the hole. You're looking for what the flaw is going to be. I promise you that developing this skill is the key to getting a perfect score on the logical reasoning section. So that's it for now. If you want a comprehensive regimen for how to score 180 on the LSAT, head over to MasterLSAT.com.